This video in the Resources on Proof series is about what a proof is and about different types of proof that you'll see during your time in Exeter. A proof is a completely rigorous, logical argument that only uses three things: previously proved statements, logical deduction, and explicit assumptions. Now let's look at a typical statement that you might see in one of your courses. We have some assumptions, implies a conclusion. Now this kind of statement can be proved in a number of different ways. We have direct proof, where you take the assumptions, you apply the definitions and other things you know about the objects involved, and you deduce the conclusion. In proof by contradiction, you assume that the conclusion is false, but that the assumptions are true, and you try and deduce some obviously false statement, like 0 equals 1. When you prove something using the contrapositive, you assume that the conclusion is false, and you try and deduce the negation of the assumptions. Proof by induction is used when the conclusion depends on some natural number k. First, you show that the assumptions imply that the conclusion is true for when n equals 0, and then you add to the assumptions that the conclusion is true for n equals k for some arbitrary natural number k, and you try and prove that the conclusion is true for k plus 1. A counterexample is used when you have a universal statement that you want to show as false. Say you want to show that all sets are red is false. A counterexample would be a set that's blue, and that would show that the statement all sets are red is false. We have a written resource available on this topic, and videos and written resources specifically dealing with each individual type of proof. Thank you.